This is Rita. Welcome to this introduction of the 8-ton hydraulic vibratory road roller LTS208H, designed to handle even the most challenging construction jobs. The LTS208H is powered by Cummins 4BT 3.9 Tier 2 engine, 75 kW. It operates stably and efficiently at all working conditions. Its glazed surface, featuring a circular windshield and a curved hood, not only looks appealing but also broadens the operator's field of vision, enhancing work safety. The design of hydraulic stabilizers speed change, one-level operation, greatly simplifies the operation process and improves the work efficiency. The hydraulic vibration system adopts the internationally famous brand Danfoss superior quality. Equipped with adjustable seat and air conditioner, the operator's comfort is guaranteed. In summary, the 8-ton hydraulic vibration road roller LTS208H combines powerful performance, precise control, and operator comfort. It is the perfect choice for high efficiency and high quality compaction work. Thank you for watching. You can contact me if you have any questions.